Hello everyone, we are trying to take some initiative to spread awareness about virus COVID-19, which is also known as corona. We are making content on coronavirus to spread awareness about this pandemic. Beijing is successfully dodging culpability for its role in spreading the coronavirus. The evidence of China's deliberate cover-up of the coronavirus outbreak in Wuhan is a matter of public record. In suppressing information about the virus, doing little to contain it, and allowing it to spread unchecked in the crucial early days and weeks, the regime imperiled not only its own country and its own citizens but also the more than 100 nations now facing their own potentially devastating outbreaks. More perniciously, the Chinese government censored and detained those brave doctors and whistleblowers who attempted to sound the alarm and warn their fellow citizens when they understood the gravity of what was to come. Some American commentators and Democratic politicians are aghast at Donald Trump and Republicans for referring to the pandemic as the Wuhan virus and repeatedly pointing to China as the source of the pandemic. In naming the disease COVID-19, the World Health Organization specifically avoided mentioning Wuhan. Yet in de-emphasizing where the epidemic began, something China has been aggressively pushing for, we run the risk of obscuring Beijing's role in letting the disease spread beyond its borders. China has a history of mishandling outbreaks, including SARS in 2002 and 2003. But Chinese leaders' negligence in December and January, for well over a month after the first outbreak in Wuhan, far surpasses those bungled responses. The end of last year was the time for authorities to act, and, as Nicholas D. Kristof of the New York Times has noted, act decisively they did, not against the virus, but against whistleblowers who were trying to call attention to the public health threat. This is what allowed the virus to spread across the globe. Because the Chinese Communist Party was pretending that there was little to be concerned about, Wuhan was a porous purveyor of the virus. The government only instituted a lockdown in Wuhan on January 23, 7 weeks after the virus first appeared. As events in Italy, the United States, Spain, and France have shown, quite a lot can happen in a week, much less 7. By then, Mayor Zhou Xianwang admitted that more than 5 million people had already left Wuhan. If that weren't enough, we can plumb recent history for an even more damning account. In a 2019 article, Chinese experts warned it was highly likely that future SARS or MERS-like coronavirus outbreaks will originate from bats, and there is an increased probability that this will occur in China.
Thanks for watching. To stay updated about pandemic COVID-19, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.